Hey, you guys, it's after 4 in the morning and I look a hot mess. Yes. But I just want to show y'all right now what just happened. Like, my daughter and I, we fell asleep on the couch and she literally pooped everywhere. That's all the dirty laundry. I had to take all the covers off the pillows. That's poop, yes, on the floor. It's all over on the couch. Y'all can't see it because it kind of blends in with the color, but it smells. It's all over here. So I am going to get my shampooer and go to town.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh,